You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this Venezuelan baseball player. If you want to learn more names from baseball, make sure to stay tuned with the San Diego Padres at the moment, I believe. Tucupita Marcano, Spanish pronunciation Tucupita Marcano, English pronunciation or American pronunciation Tucupita Marcano. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.